Ferdinand R. Marcos Jr. has announced the official implementation of an 85 peso wage hike for workers in the National Capital Region, or NCR. The president has directed the Regional Tripartite Wage Board to continue studying the implementation of similar salary adjustments across other regions before the end of 2026, underscoring the government's priority for worker welfare. The palace says this increase represents the highest wage growth in the last 4 years since 2023.
Ito na ang pinakamaraming pagtaas ng sahod sa nakalipas na 4 na taon. Simula 2023, umaabot sa 7% ang average increase per wage order. At sa 85 pesos na increase, umabot na sa 210 pesos ang kaabuuang naaprobahang salary increase para sa mga manggagawa. Marcos Jr., prioridad ng pamahalaan ang kapakanan ng mga manggagawa.